Kids TV. Can you help me spell the animal names? This is a kangaroo. Let's spell kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Let's do another one. Let's spell crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Let's do this one now. Do you know what this is? An elephant. Can you spell elephant with me? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Let's do this one now. Do you know what this is? A giraffe. Let's spell giraffe together. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Let's see what other animals we have. What's this animal? Can you help me spell the name? Do you know what this is? A raccoon. Can you help me spell raccoon? R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Let's do another one. What's this animal? Koala. Spell koala with me. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Let's do another one. Do you know what animal this is? It's a tortoise. Can you spell tortoise with me? T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Let's do this one. Tell me what animal this is. Panda. Can you spell panda with me? P-A-N-D-A. Panda. We have two more animals. Let's see what this is. Do you know what it is? It's a flamingo. Can you spell flamingo with me? F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. We have one more animal. Do you know what animal this is? It's a penguin. Spell penguin with me. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Thank you so much for learning how to spell different animal names with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.